Hello, my name is Kate Findlay. I'm here to show you another Halloween project today. I'm going to show you how to make the Halloween goodie bag. Now this is an essential bit of kit for children going out trick-or-treating. So very easy project to make, suitable for 7-year-olds upwards, I would have said. Get your orange felt and then you're going to want to pin that on to the felt. Okay, so now that's ready to sew onto the front of the bag, like that. And again, just pop it on with a couple of pins. There we are, but effectively, you've got the Halloween goodie bag complete and ready to fill with loot. Thank you.